questioning on whether I should do a slime video or what I got for Christmas video. So I thought that I'd do. Oh wait, I forgot to tell you to like and subscribe. Yeah. So anyways, I'm going to do the what I got for Christmas video tomorrow, but today I'm going to be doing a slime video. I've already got the first step, which is glue. Element's glue. You could use whatever glue you want, really. But Element's glue works the best for me. Do whatever glue works for you, though. Next step is color. So I got the coloring. Just need a few more mixies. There. Now next up is I'm gonna be making this a regular jiggly slime, so we need water. So I added in the water, so it should look like this. Pretty ugly, not gonna lie. But once we mix it, the water in, it will get prettier. So I mixed it all up, and last step is activator. So jiggly slime doesn't have any So this is one of the most jiggly I used to have a jigglier one, but I gave it away to my cousin for Christmas. To give, it's not very jiggly. It's not gonna be like this one, but it's a very pretty blue color. And we're just gonna add some Steflo. And 3, 2, 1, and it will be slime. So this is the slime. It's not as jiggly as I hoped it to be, but it's still pretty decent. I mean, it's pokey, it's stretchy. It's a very pretty color. Like, I didn't know it would be this blue. But it's very pretty. Like, it's probably the best thing about it is the looks. Yeah, so hit that like button, subscribe if you're that nice to me, and you can become one of my new squad. One of the very best YouTube squads. The drumroll, please. Stinky Penguin Squad. Kidding, it's the Pizza Penguin Squad. So if you want to become one of the Pizza Penguin Squads, you have to share this video with your friends. Hit that like button, subscribe, and